This is the low profile site sizable series. We've taken our best selling series and improved it. The two improvements are the height, so we're down to 1 inch from 1 5/8. And then we've added these grooves, which are concrete teeth basically to bite the side. There's less flexibility and the concrete will bite in that, so you won't have separation. It also goes together much nicer, more like Lego-like. And of course, that site sizable series, you can put that outlet anywhere on the run and cut to length on the size. So that's same price as the current series, site sizable low profile. You'll find that in your price book right next, same page, same layout, old on the left, new on the right. The site sizable low profile series is available with the 38 series width, 65, and the 100 remains the same, 100 width. These are all very low profile, 1 inch height, 3/4 inch height. The site sizable series is available with the wedge wire. This is the 2mm wedge wire, slightly different from our current AG38. It's a little more refined. It's also available in the 65 version as well. We've changed a perforated pattern. This is an offset slot, we're calling this. Also available in 38 and 65 inch widths. We just felt it was more of a universal design rather than our DG series. We've also improved the tile in frame. So this is the site sizable, which has an end cap that gets put with our M1 adhesive. So it now eliminates that seam when you were joining the tile in TA frame. So this is a little more cleaner and an improvement from Infinity Drain.